Hi everyone, my name is Yoonho Kim. I'm the founder and CEO of Magnendo. Next slide, please. Oh, sorry. So we're on a mission to set a new standard in neurovascular access through our advanced robotic navigation technology. For stroke-related conditions such as vessel occlusion or brain aneurysms, this endovascular therapy has become the standard of care. For such a procedure, the first step is to get to those targets using a device called Guidewire. However, neurovascular targets are often difficult to reach because of their complex and tortuous anatomy, which can not only increase their procedural time, but also a risk of complications such as vessel perforation or dissection. Conventional guidewires has pre-shaped or shapeable distal tip for steering purposes upon the rotation of the entire device. However, their capabilities are inherently limited by the fixed shape and curvature. We solve this problem by putting tiny magnetic particles in the distal section of the wire to make it magnetically deflectable. Unlike this conventional wire that just doesn't want to select the target branch, our wire, because of this magnetic guidance, can easily select this acutely angled vessel to make this navigation much more efficient. And to make this navigation much more easier to use for the end user, the clinician, here we add robotic automation. So our robot arm holding this magnet automatically places this actuating magnet for each and every sharp corner, so the wire just chooses a target branch upon the user's command. So the tedious and challenging part of the navigation of selecting the target branches has now been largely automated, so the physician can just push and pull the catheters and wires while focusing more on the critical task of delivering the therapeutics. And let me share a few key takeaways based on our data. First of all, as shown on the left, our technology can enable even senior physicians to get to those difficult targets several times faster, saving more than 10 minutes in typical cases, even half an hour for very challenging cases. Second, on the right, our system can dramatically reduce the undesirable or risky behavior of the wire, such as collision with the vessels or aneurysm walls, to improve the safety. Lastly, the large performance gap between the senior physician and junior physician has now been almost eliminated. It's leveling playing the field to standardize the performance. What these all can mean is that we can expand the endovascular capabilities beyond tertiary care centers or large university hospitals to smaller hospitals and primary care centers, so that they can treat the stroke patients in-house instead of shipping them out to tertiary care centers. And this can help unlock the huge market potential in endovascular stroke space. And for patients, it means that more patients and more places can have access to this life-saving endovascular therapy. With that, I'd like to thank you for your attention. Happy to share more if you're interested in learning about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much.